So today's word is basic. Basic can be used as noun, as an adjective, and it can also be used in chemistry. So let us see first how we can use basic as noun. The essential facts or principles of a subject or skill. So, when we are talking about the word basic, we are talking about something that is very important or something that is very essential, such as the basic ingredients of a recipe or the basic needs of a human being, such as those are food, clothing and shelter. So these are the basic need of a human being. The technology, the internet, the mobile phone, and these are the secondary things. The human being can live without that, but the human being can't live without these basic amenities: food, clothing and shelter. So we can say that these particular things are basic need. Okay, next, so let us understand with this example: a soldier receiving basic training. Okay, so all the soldier has to undergo some basic training so that it can perform well afterwards. Okay, so every soldier has to undergo some basic training. Okay, that is very essential. Okay, next, let us see how we can use it as an adjective: forming an essential foundation or starting point. Okay, that is our fundamental. So when we are actually making up or forming the essential, the things that are forming the essential part of something, we are saying that we are using basic as an adjective, such as certain basic rules must be obeyed. Okay, there must be some basic rules that a person should obey. Okay, otherwise, let's say we can say that in a school, if the principal has said that everybody has to obey these rules, otherwise that person or that student will be suspended from the school. Okay, so these are some basic rule that everybody has to obey. Next, now I had told you that we can also use basic. We are using this word basic in chemistry also. So let us see how we can use it. So you have heard about the last word is base, and we have acids and base in chemistry. So the word basic is related to base only. Okay, having the properties of a base or containing a base having a pH of above 7. Okay, so the elements that are having the pH of above 7, they are called as base, and the elements that are showing these properties, we can say them as basic. Okay, now let us move forward. So let us see some of the synonyms of basic: elemental, essential, key, main, necessary, primary, and vital. Okay. Now, let us see some of the antonyms also: secondary, non essential, minor, insignificant, or inessential. So, this is the word, and this is one of the important words you should understand. Okay. Now, I would like you to write a sentence using this word and post it in the comments below. Thank you.